Hi everyone, today's lesson is lesson 3, identifying digits and writing two-digit numbers. When we write numbers, we use digits. The number 4 is a digit. So is the number 3, 2, 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. Those are all digits. Okay? And these are digits from 0 to 9, and we call these one-digit numbers because there's only one of them. We can use these one-digit numbers to make two-digit numbers. So if I wanted to think of a two-digit number that does not end in 0, I might have something like 12. There's two digits in the number 12. Can I use a different two-digit number using these same numbers? I can. I could also have 21. Okay. So using the 2 and the 1, I came up with two different numbers. Are these numbers the same? Nope. 21 is bigger than 12. Okay. So, what is the smallest possible two-digit number? Well, since 9 is the biggest one digit, that means the smallest two-digit numbers is going to be 10. Okay. What would be the largest two-digit number? Well, since my largest one-digit number is 9, my largest two-digit number is going to be a 9 and a 9, or 99. Okay. If we go any larger, we would be at 100, and that's a three-digit number, and I only want a two-digit number. Okay, so two-digit numbers have two numbers, of course, in it, two digits in it. The digit on the left is called the tens digit, and the number on the right is called the ones digit. Okay, so in this one, my tens digit is the 5, and my ones digit is the 3 in 53. Okay, what about 27? So in 27, the 2 is the tens digit, and the 7 is the ones digit. What about 68? In 68, the 6 is the tens digit, and the 8 is the ones digit. So, I usually have a chart here that has almost every two-digit number. Okay. Now, let's look at the zeros column. Okay, and that's going to be this one here. Yours will have a 0. Yours looks a little bit different than mine, but that's okay. So we have the zeros column here. Okay. And we have 0 and then 10. And if you notice about the numbers in this column, we keep going, 20, 30, 40. All of the numbers end in 0. Okay. So what about the column that begins with a 1? The next number is 11, 21, 31. You may notice that all of these numbers end in 1. Same with the 2's column. All the numbers will end in 2. The 3's column, all of them end in 3. Okay. Oops. So I have some missing numbers here on my chart. Okay. And I need to be able to fill in the missing numbers. So let's start with the zeros digit, or the zeros column. So we have 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and then I have a blank. So what should go in this spot? So since 80 was the last number, the next number should be 90, because that's the next two-digit number that ends in 0. And then, of course, 100. Okay, look at the ones column. We have a missing number here as well. So let's go ahead and find it. So we have 1, 11, 21, 31, 41, 51, then a blank. Well, I know this number has to end in 1. And it should be the number that comes after 5. So this one should be 61. Okay. So there's no missing numbers in the 2's column, but there is in the 3's. So we have 3, 13. I know this has to end with a 3. And the number that comes after 1 is 2. So this has to be 23. Okay. And let's do the 4's. 4, 14, 24, 34, 44, 54, 64, 74. This number has to end in 4, and it comes after 7. So that's going to be 8. So 84. Let's go by 5s next. 5, 15, 25, 35, 45. This one ends in 5, and it comes after 4, so that has to be 55. Okay, and the next column we have 6, and then nothing. We know it ends in 6, and we know there's, since there's like a 0 kind of here, that means it has to be 1, so 16. Okay, for 8, our blank, we have an 8, and it has to come after 6, so it's going to be 78. Okay, on the 9s column, we have the 9, and then it's, let's see, 19, 29, 39. So the number that comes after 3 is 4. So it's going to be 49. Okay, and that's it for this lesson. Good luck on your homework.